lot quicker than expected. I did not think that I was gonna finish installing this that fast. Literally, I put the unit on, I cut the lace off, and I was done. I added a little bit of water to my hair, but other than that, I mean, has to be one of the best looking, quickest units that I've ever done on my channel thus far. Because when I say this is a true HD lace unit, this is a true HD lace unit. It comes pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, and it's just so bomb, like right out of the box. I'm really impressed because I just remember, like, it is just honestly blowing my mind, y'all, how far the wig game has come. Because I remember when I first started doing hair reviews, for one, I had to make my own units. Two, I had to bleach the knots on it, on the frontal, pluck it, I had to tone it, you know, I had to do so many different things. I had to cut the lace, you know, myself. I had to, you know, do all of these things. For one, this is a closure unit. This is a 7" by 5" closure unit. It's so bomb. Absolutely love this unit. I love the construction of it, and it's made just perfectly, because a lot of times when you have like glueless units like this one, meaning that you don't have to use any product to adhere the unit, a lot of times those units, like, they only give you like the adjustable elastic band that you hook in, and I hate those kinds of units because that band typically slips out. This one was actually pretty hard to even try to get out because I was trying to see like if I could remove it. Girl, you can remove it, but it takes a lot of force. Like, you have to really try to like go in there and really take that elastic band out. So I love that about it, because it's nothing worse than having your unit on and then one side unhooks and then now your unit is all loose, or it's like secure at the top but then the back is all loose. But this one is nice and secure in the very back and up top, and I was able to do a true glueless install, which is very rare for me because, as you guys know, I have a smaller head. So a lot of times, like the glueless units, they don't typically fit me, but this one fits me to perfection. And it has a comb in the back, but it's not one of those like short combs. It's actually a really wide comb, which I can appreciate because it definitely hooks in perfectly in the back. So you do not have to worry about this unit slipping off, coming off, moving around, or none of that. So absolutely love that about it. And even though this is straight out of the box, like, it doesn't have a weird smell to it. It's not smelling like fish. It doesn't smell like chemicals. It doesn't smell like anything. Like, it's literally perfection. And you guys saw, like, as soon as I put this unit on, you guys saw the hairline. Like, they pre-plucked this hairline to perfection. Like, they did not miss a beat on this unit. And when I say it checks off all of my boxes, it checks off every last one of my boxes, because you guys know when it comes to a bust down curly unit, girl, I am the connoisseur. I am a professional when it comes to that. That's definitely like my everyday get up, and I feel like this is the perfect everyday unit for the girls who like a nice curly unit, but also someone who wants something that isn't going to take a lime tip. But it's also for people who have a very quick on-the-go type of lifestyle and you just don't have a lot of time to do your hair, especially if you don't know how to do your hair. Like, if you don't know how to put on lace fronts at all, this is hands down one of the easiest ones to do, because all you have to do with this unit is just shave the lace off. Shave the lace off and you're good to go. Literally slide it on, put some makeup on the lace, of course. I almost missed that part. Put makeup on the lace, because putting the makeup on the lace definitely makes a difference. It's what's going to help it blend in a lot better. And yeah, I just use this simple razor, you guys, to shave the excess lace off, and I was literally done that freaking fast, and I just could not believe it. I'm like, girl, I don't need to do nothing. And this is one of those units, because it's pre-plucked so well, I do not want to mess it up by adding a bunch of baby hairs to it. If you want to do baby hairs and do all that extra stuff, you definitely can. But a unit like this, you literally don't have to do the baby hairs, and you get a lot of parting space on this unit. So if you want to, you can do like 2 braids right here. You can do a half up, half down with a unit like this, even though it's a closure, okay? And you're definitely going to save yourself a lot more money with the closure versus getting like a lace frontal unit. And this one has a ton of space on it. I am going to come up a little bit closer just so you guys can see the hairline a little bit better and see how much parting space we're actually working with here. Okay, so this is a nice up close look at the unit. All I had to do was cut the lace off. The knots are bleached, as you guys can see, and you get a ton of space on this unit. So this is the space that you get on this unit. The tracks start right there. You guys can kind of see that. Same thing over here. The tracks start right around here. So you get all of this space to work with, and then you get a really nice deep parting space. The tracks don't start until back here. You guys can see. So that's where the tracks start. Yeah, you get a decent amount of parting space. I absolutely love that. And the curl pattern itself is like really pretty. It's definitely like the perfect curl pattern because it's not something that'll be as high maintenance as like, you know, like a Jerry curly texture. Like the tighter the curl, the more like high maintenance the unit is. So, but even though this is a lower maintenance curly unit, which I prefer, and it's not like a big old afro, it's just like some nice pretty hair, like I absolutely love it. Even though this is a lower maintenance unit, you still need to make sure that you're on top of the maintenance. Make sure you're not just like sleeping on it, not wrapping your hair up at night, not detangling it, not moisturizing it. Like you want to keep curly hair moisturized. That is so important. And not only that, my key to like really good curly units, number one, make sure you do wash your unit with cold water only. Don't use hot water because hot water strips the hair of its natural oils. So you want to make sure you're using cold water. You want to make sure you're using a conditioner and do a co-wash on your curly units. Most units you would do like shampoo and then conditioner. With curly units, I highly suggest doing a co-wash, which is conditioner. So you wash the hair with the conditioner and you let the conditioner sit. Like for me, I let my conditioner sit on my unit for like a whole hour. So let the conditioner actually sit on there. Just like go, you know, clean up your house, maybe watch a good TV show, and then go back to your unit and then rinse it off with cold water. And also when I have my units, I like to air dry my units. I do not use heat on my units whatsoever. I do not diffuse my units. I do not blow dry them. I do not do anything like that. I don't brush all the curls out, and I don't like get a powder brush and brush all the, you know, curls out and then try to like bring the curls back. I hate when I see people do that. Like, oh my god, I hate it so much. Like I see so many girls like literally getting a powder brush, combing out all of their curly hair, and then putting a bunch of product on there, like physically going in with their finger trying to make the curls come back. Like if you have to do all of that, then the curly hair is trash. Like good curly hair, you don't have to do all of that. You can literally, like I did, wear it right out of the box, put some water on that thing, and you're good to go. And I don't even have like any conditioner or anything in this water bottle. This is literally just water, okay? It's only water in here. And that's all I use on my units. I don't have to use a bunch of curl products, curl creams, curl activators, and all that stuff, foaming mousse. Like, I don't have to do all of that. As you guys saw, I didn't even put any foaming mousse or anything on this unit. Like, this is just the natural vibe of the hair. And I do currently have this unit in a 24-inch, which is pretty standard. This is what it's looking like. I'm not sure on the density though, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know the density, but it will be left down in the description box down below. Let me know if I don't put it in there. Let me know, because I will definitely fix that for y'all. But definitely a decent thick, like I like the density for this unit because it's not like overwhelming, and it is the summertime right now, and the worst thing is to have like just a lot of big curly hair. Like we love curly hair in the summertime, like of course, but not when it's just like overwhelming and it just feels like too much, and it like your hair is like sticking to the back of your neck because you're sweating. Like girl, nobody has time for that this summer. This is the perfect like lower maintenance, lightweight curly unit. But I'm gonna go ahead and stand up for you guys just so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And like I said, this is a 24-inch unit. This is where it's hitting me in the front. Okay, inside and in the back. That's a pretty good length. I can make it one, let me see. So, pretty long, not bad. Here is a nice side view of the unit. Like I said, gorgeous, gorgeous texture, perfect density, and it has like a nice thickness to it. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just literally perfection. So, love that, and yeah. Nadula, literally, they never let me down. So shout out to Nadula for sending over this bomb unit, and shout out to all of y'all for showing me love watching the video. If you made it to this point in the video, like obviously you like it because you would have clicked off by now. So make sure you do like this video, drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on today's look. Have you tried any units from Nadula? Do you like Nadula? I personally love Nadula. They're definitely one of my favorite companies, and they really snapped with this unit because I cannot believe that I didn't have to use anything to adhere the unit. I don't think y'all understand. Like, excuse me, I will do the cone test for y'all. Girl, this unit is not glued down. All I had to do was cut the lace off. So that's I feel like if I was you, after seeing that, I would have just hit add to cart, because hello, like, girl, time saver. It looks good, looks natural. You ain't got to do all them baby hairs and all that stuff, and you can just take it off, put it back on whenever you feel like it. Girl, yes, it's a no-brainer. So yeah, shout out to Nadula. Shout out to all of you guys for watching and supporting me, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.